This is probably the most straightforward tutorial on YouTube. No fluff, we're going to get straight into it. So we're going to start out by creating a ball guideline with the trimmer, and we want to make that guideline nice and even. Next, we're going to take the lever fully open with the clipper and create a 1-inch guideline. After that, you're going to fully close the lever and begin blending up starting at the bottom. And each time we go up, we're going to slightly open the lever about 1/4 of the way. Here you see me open it one more time, and we go right up under that guideline. Don't go to it because then you'll raise the fade too high. Next, we're going to take the 1 guard with the lever fully open and create another 1-inch guideline. After that, close the lever and then begin blending at the bottom. And then next, you open the lever halfway and blend in between. So lever open, lever closed, and then blend in between with the lever halfway. And then next, with the lever still halfway open, you're gonna take the half guard and blend right up under that 1 guard. And then you're gonna close the lever all the way and then remove the rest of that line. Next, we're gonna take the number 2 guard and go up to where the head starts to round off. You start with the lever open and then closed. And just for reference, he got his hair cut with the number 4 on top, against the grain. So after that number 2, there's still a faint line left. So we're gonna take the 1.5 guard, begin with the lever open and then close it. When the lever is open, it cuts off less hair, and then when it's closed, it cuts off more hair. So you always want to be conservative. So here you saw me close it, and then it got a little bit closer. And you want to be very thorough with your steps. So after you run through all of your steps, we're going to go back and detail the fade. So here I take the 1 guard, and remember, start with the lever open, and the purpose of this is just to remove dark spots. And then you can also remove the guard and detail with the lever open, and then close it as needed. And by the way, I'm using the Switch 1.0. You can get this by clicking the link in the bio. So here I switch to the trimmer attachment. Here we're putting on the finishing touches. And here's the end result.